Wait. Is this the fourth? Wait, no, it's guaranteed. This is the most fun. Oh, what the fuck? It's still the wrong. I'm guessing it's not there's no more information. Everything's gone. I'm gonna put back. Everything's over. I'm not leaving.
Oh.
There's no more information.
Passer?
Information's gone. I wouldn't. Oh no, wait, there's no applause again. What's it number? Oh my God. Yeah. It's like 4 months in a row right now. No, I would keep on. The plan was too much. The plan was too much. 20, 29, 30.
Kita kaya? Wala ka nakita?
Okay.
Nothing. It's Ryan. He's too wild. What do you mean? Look at his time. I'm gonna stop it with you. Let me see your cards. What do you mean I'm too volatile? Why? Because he's wearing that. He's wearing that. He's wearing that. 8. Stop. You got that. Stop. You got that. That's a run plus. No, you get the 9 and 8. Stop. All the 3 numbers. You're finance.
Sa akin? Take one tayo dalawa?
Sorry ka ba? Legendary resource na pala yan.
I'm getting targeted. If you guys bust. He's gonna start.
Kanina yung dagdag. Okay? So, 4?
Yeah. So high. That's too many ones. Never.
Patay din siya.
Ilan ba siya?
3-3. Kasi may Denver din kayo.
Let me test.
For 3.
There hasn't been enough pairs. There hasn't been enough pairs.
Dalawang puti.
There's no penalty on this entire thing.
2, 3, 4. Take 4?
I think I got
25?
Possible yun. Return all class cards. Initial resource of their owners. Babalik tayo.
Mr. JG. Michael. I'm Mr. JG. I receive myself. Ew. Oh no! Come on, bro. I'm 12 again.
Counter attack, so gain 1 defense tapos plus X. So ano siya? Plus 2-2. Kasi kapag nag-trigger ako ng trap plus 1 defense, then draw ako. So ano siya? 3-2.
Uy, dalawa pala yun.
Flashback po kayo. Pero patay pa rin siya, boss. Okay? Take ka na. 3-2 kasi yung ano ko. 3-2 sa end of clash.
Very good.
Ay, dyan eh, lamang mo, okay lang. Lamang mo na yan, okay lang, mag-draw ka. Okay na yan, sige, okay na yan, draw na. Ay, dalawa na naman. Nakabala ko pa, meron ka ng isa.
Contender piso. 24. Pass.
28. Playing it safe for Hasn't been enough 11. I'm a psychic. Go. I see it, bro.
Okay.
It's too early. Away from glory. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Oy, may click na siya.
Okay. You're done right. Allow it.
Diminish. Okay.
Stop. You're allowed to get this. Suck my balls, bitch. Suck my fucking balls.
Take lang. So, yung plus ano, yung defense kanina. Okay. Or no?
Diba? Long song ko sa I see it.
4-3.
Oh, you're right. I just feel so weird sometimes. Yes!
Take ako. Flashback. Flashback. Tapos trigger rat. 4-2. 4-2 ito. So take lang ako ng 2. 21. Patay po siya. Then draw ako ng isang card.
I don't know if the game is fun or if the energy surrounding it. And brings up the W. I told you! he needs a number. Oh! Target. Flip it. No! Flip
Three resource. Play ako ng Ansodak. Trigger Rat. Deal 3 damage dito. Counterplay po kayo.
Gusto sa akin. 20. Draw na ako.
Ilang damage? 3 damage dito. Trigger enter siya.
Kailan yung ano ba yan?
Oh,
Paano nangyari yung dati?
yung trigger rat po, so rat, bale, mag-bottom ako ng hand card ko na dragon, mas mataas sa resource ko sa na-play ko.
Tapos kailan yung ano niya?
Deal 3 damage.
No, we lost.
You gotta rip it. You gotta rip it.
You have to
rip it.
No, literally.
That's the point.
Ba't pala yun na lang? Mali.
So, attack ako sa'yo for 3.
Oh, okay, so this is only 12, 20.
Attack for 1.
100%
Passer.
Wait, I need to know. Wait, no. Let me know the number. 42 plus 174 is. Where's my phone?
Oh no, hey, wait.
Surely there's not another 8.
Yeah, it's a 7.
Surely there's.
It's a 12.
I'll be so out of your range if you hit the 12. I'll be so out of your range if you hit the 12. I'll be so out of your range.
Akala ko mga versus pag-play.
Allow me to demonstrate divided by 0.
Come on, you gotta do it.
Jake, there hasn't been a single club.
Okay.
There hasn't been a single club.
Donkey.
This is a prize you can start. Oh, Jay, you still waiting.
Pass lang.
I wouldn't.
There's no chance. It's like actually he wins.
You got a boss. You got a boss.
Resource.
I ain't folding, bitch. It's just hit ahead. It's just hit ahead.
Attach pala to.
No!
So, pay 4.
Wow, man on it.
Fire breath. Response. Weapon sa.
I lost to the shield now. I can't believe this. Come on. I'm like, we're safe. There's a 12. There should be a 12.
So, trigger that. Deal 5 damage dito.
Ako ng 4.
Tapos attach siya. Pagka-attach, lahat ng dragons ko plus 1. So, attack ako sa'yo ng 5.
It's too good.
Attack ako 2.
He keeps calling it.
Seven. Okay. Passer. Unattach pala. Lose 2.
Meanwhile, I am manifesting the boss. Don't you change lonely? That's the problem. I was manifesting the boss for myself.
I'm creating the formula for the counters that it's like you got counter property.
I'm trying to do the
It's not worth because it's not even. It's not that formula right now.
Walang hawak. Okay? So, trigger enter niya. So, na-flash card they control ko. So, isa-send mo rin to.
Opponent lang.
Opponent lang, okay. Tapos, tingnan ko lang ulit.
Don't hover it. Don't hover it unless it's your turn.
3-3 siya.
Okay.
Okay. Counter attack na lang. So, 2 defense. 2 attack, draw lang ako. Wala, take 1 ako.
2 defense?
2 defense po. So,
Ilan na ba siya?
magiging 4-2.
4-2.
Wala. Take na ako 1 damage. Take pala ako 3 damage, sorry. 15.
Mapatayan.
You saved it for yourself. 30 seconds.
Ayun.
That's right. Oh, I ain't afraid of nothing.
What's my count? 34.
Skip resource. Set trap. Tapos, attack ulit ako for 2. Take 1 lang ako. Sir?
14 pa.
14 pa. Awakening na pala ako.
Bitch! I can't have no information.
Bumalik na siya dati na 1-2 na lang.
Aba? 6-5. Attack for 6.
I knew it!
Trap. So, Archaic Shield, forte lang ako 2 cards.
Showing letter to the shirt.
Hoy!
And a sticky!
So,
Meron ko dyan, no?
reveal ako. So, negate 3. Take 3 pa rin ako. 11. Sa to Oblivion. Tapos may draw ako isa pa. 1 defense. 2-1 na to.
No, we're out of sixes.
Attack ako.
Okay, sorry, take 4. Take 4 lang, ano lang pala ako. Take 2. Take 2 lang ako. Kasi may 1 defense pala. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's not her, dude. She's one
Skip resource.
I'm starting again, right?
Attack for 2.
Tapos,
It's a 12, it's sticky. It's a 12 in there. Oh my gosh, it's a 12.
Okay. 5 resource. Ansuda.
It's your open, you stupid.
Attack ako contender for 5. Flight.
Ah, ball. Wow.
set ako ng trap.
Okay.
Attach ko kay...
Bastard.
Ah, shoot it. I get it.
So, 1, 2.
He's a wild card. No, no, you gotta shoot Rain Man.
No, nothing. I don't mind.
He's even worse.
They want a big. He doesn't rip it.
He knows how fast.
He knows I'm ripping. I'm ripping it, bitch. And with that, I'll give you.
That's so low.
Take ako ng 6. So 5 na lang ako. Okay.
Spanish. Kulang.
It's only gonna be suspicious if you cheat.
Oh,
Tsaka excuse.
Uy! Dauliyawag niya! Dauliyawag niya! Hindi talaga pwede yun, bro!
Oh, you stop.
Uy!
Attack ako 2.
Uy!
This is 30 already.
Take one.
We'll see. We'll see about that.
Subukan ko pa. Sige.
Smart, man.
Invigorating. Draw 3.
Hey, we've been on the last.
Passer.
Might be a test. True, I can just stop now.
No, I mean like 60. You can cash in, don't cash in kasi you're still.
Four.
Come on. Double.
Ganun ang power nito.
Two.
I still go first. We didn't nothing. None of us get points.
Yeah.
Very good. Ilan attack? Ilang? Takbo yan. Ha? Patay?
Oh.
Four. Flashback?
Okay.
+1.
Take 2. Tapos,
Gain ako ng 3.
gain 2 ka lang, boss.
Engage ko pa. Pare, down to 2.
Ako.
Draw card.
Okay.
Down to 2, no? Takte.
Aaron.
Taka ko 4.
Let me see.
Wala. Wala.
Sayang.
Sige, ako na.
Ano nilalaro mo dyan, guys?
Set. Passer.
I'll buy the new.
Kaya nakapag-flashback kanina eh. Alam po flashback na po eh.
Walang draw, boss.
Mga pala.
JD like they won't catch up.
Ano nga bang ano nito?
Kapag mayroon kang, kapag may ibang cash card, earth na cash card.
I know.
Hindi ko.
This one is up. No, it's the 10. It's the 10 that's gonna
Two ano siya? 2, 3?
2-3.
I've trusted you too many times, Ray, man.
Oh my God, he's alive.
Pass lang. Okay.
You have to hit.
You have to hit that.
Attach.
Puti! Uy! Dawli ako niya, kaso wala siya, puti. Uy!
Get to the over anyway. I gotta hit it.
Set. Summon ulit. 3 sa'yo.
41.
Sino pa nalo na?
Ako.
Uy, tayo atang sa... Gawan mo na to.
My numbers are too high.
Sige. Passer na ako. Lose 2. 28.
Unless skills.
Don't say it. 66.
No.
Let JG explode.
That's a guarantee though.
That's why you made 88 times 2 is 6.
Okay.
That's like me.
One.
Let JG explode.
That is
2 to 11, and all the cards you mix together are 200.
Yeah.
you're too high.
Okay. Yan eh, may draw.
Alright.
If you have it, you're a god.
Ay,
Show me what you made of.
Kapit yung isa.
Ilan to?
2-3.
Oh!
Side
Wait, it's okay, Milo. I just want to
Plus 1 lang yan, boss. 1-0.
10 points.
Kanino? Sa akin? Trap? Archaic? So, portal ako?
No time has come out yet. It's a 12, trust me. We have all the same number, so it's a 10, 11, 12,
Prevent 1. So, 1 damage. Take 1 ako. Take 0 kasi plus 1 defense na to. Until end of turn. So, tapos draw 1 ako.
Bali, wala na.
Wala. Take 1 lang.
Exercise.
Okay. Tuloy ako.
2-1. Flashback? No, flashback siya.
Attach.
Ay,
You see that shit? He fucking wins 2 times in a row and then never again. I downloaded the game.
Ito.
I lost it.
Inferno.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Rat. Deal 3.
Gago!
Cause you're not.
He calls me really mad.
So, attack ako sa iyo ng 3.
Tignan mo, ayan.
Attack ako dito ng 3.
Tapos,
Pass turn, lose 2, and attach.
Minus 2 minus. Pero pag yan, ano?
No!
So Shima is $70 not $25.
Gagi ka. I'm going first.
No, just only the card. You should do Leonard. Actually, you're right. Only Leonard. In all games.
Oh, wait. Picture right. I forgot the.
Yeah, only Leonard.
I need another card.
It's part of the addition.
Wait, Leonard gets to see his starting one. Yeah.
Alright, that's
Luis.
fine.
Oh, he's gonna get one.
Yeah. There was no addition.
Okay.
I skipped the first set of that game. God damn.
Okay.
Yes, they card. Oh.
Bro, stop doing that.
I can't do it. It's thinking like
Oh my
that.
god, they were both aces.
I'm not. Guys, you're not happening with me.
Because I think that's weird. I started.
I'm consciously like doing this to make sure.
Yeah, exactly. Just do it like that.
Kasi masyadong mas malay kung may gusto nila.
Yeah, see?
No, that's why I'm using them. It's not like that, like cheap, bro.
It's more random like that.
What if cybernetic regal yan? Takinan yan. Huwag na maglaro.
I know you were gonna keep it in.
Are you sure?
I know the next card.
Bali,
Oh, after you attack.
4.
I'll go wrong. I'll go 1 by 1.
4, 3.
You're right. I did just eat another 11. My commanders are less than
Dito lang.
Shot before the game.
May bounty counter nga pala tayo.
pwede ko
Oh, no.
sa kanya.
I believe it.
I mean, you gotta go now. He picked up 12.
Oh,
Whoa.
I got
oh, whoa,
This
wait.
is better now.
Not 12 is the same.
4.
Not 12 is safe. Not 12 is safe.
in you. What the fuck?
Absolute cinema. How's the first two thirds?
I'll stop here sa anak yan.
Sige, patayin mo dalawa.
Contender?
Take 3. 23.
Ito, 3.
3-3.
What the fuck?
Sa akin din. Take 3. 20. Okay.
Just go to 4 or 5 na siya. Then,
Resource.
contender.
I bought the pink one.
Contender 4. Pass turn, lose 2. Unattach.
Contender!
One pass lang this Edward, di ba?
On to cast
Na blue.
Gusto ka ba dyan?
Hindi, itim.
Okay. So 1-2, Edwards.
Hold on this. I slide again.
Okay.
Bali,
3-3.
si Edward hindi lang siya nadadamagean ng
NCD kung may attach na weapon, non-token weapon.
yung mga may naka-attach lang.
Yung may mga nakaka-attach lang. So ito, hindi siya matama ng NCD.
Pag di mo naabot, ikaw ang aabutin ko. Alam mo.
For sa akin,
Cash ba?
sige. Wait lang.
Keep him down! Keep him down! Keep him in the corner!
I'm just gonna keep going for 7 at this point.
I would like to be in that game.
Korean, di ba?
Not bad, not bad. I got close impressions. It's okay.
Drop.
I got close impressions.
Tampered reinforcement, 3-2. So take
What's the other one?
3-2, then draw ako. So take ako ng, ilan na rin to, sorry? 2, 3, 4. 4, 3. Okay, so take ako ng 2.
Ilan ang ato na ito?
Attack, 3.
Tapos, defense.
Defense 2. Until end of clash lang.
Itong clash lang na to. After nito, iba, balik na.
Balik lang yan. Opo.
Clash, balik muna ako dito.
Okay?
Di ba maunang
Buhay pa, no?
Opo.
Take ilang pa ngayon.
Flashback din ako.
Gain ako 3.
So, Rat, 3-2. So, take 1 lang ako. Take 1 lang pala, sorry. Patay din siya. Kasi ano na ako ngayon? 6-4. So, patay po siya. Draw din ako.
Bro. There's only like 2 6s left in the deck. There's only 2 6s left. Bro. The 11s are hard. I haven't seen enough 11s.
It's only one.
Okay.
Ancient
Ancient power. So, banish.
Meron.
Your guy will.
Take 2.
Hindi kaya nung
No damage.
Wak.
Sige. So,
Okay. Attach, draw.
Hirap lang.
There is info. What are you talking about? Just 4 6s. Still playing well. Wait, no one has 10, 8, or 7.
Contender. Contender pa.
I freaking have
Sige.
Look!
Contender ako. Attack. Take 4. Set trap. Lose 2. Unattach. Passion.
He's got a point there. You're right.
I didn't see that.
Di ba gusto? Oo, sige.
It's different. And the D.
Ready to? Okay. Activate ambush trap.
Tuto na si Edwards.
This guy is just popping up.
No, he's gonna just pick the next 2. He's gonna get the center before I can. Someone freeze this man.
You bastard!
Resource.
There's 3 11s. So sick.
Okay, so like, such a bitch. So like in 12 years. Such a bitch. See, you would have survived. That's fine.
Play trap.
No, he's just gonna think it.
Meron na ako.
Okay. Counter trap.
There's only 2 balls.
CTS. So, engage po siya. Then draw ako isa. 1 defense.
And your whole car repeated.
Oh, wait, 8 my There's 6 more, right? Almost did the thing again. I'm so
Give
sorry.
me a second! Commit Adeline! Right now!
Okay, I'm watching TikTok.
Commit!
Ang pinag-
I will!
Pangatlong misplay, Thomas. Sasabihin ko sa'yo lahat.
Why are you so there?
I'm so ready to die. I'm gonna kill myself.
Bobo. Pangatlong misplay.
sige.
Ako na.
Sige ka na?
We're 2 cards away.
Try ko.
Actually, no, you just
Yung ano.
Sige ka?
Take 2 ka or unattach. Okay.
Una daw siya.
I like it. Folding is fine.
Pwede na siya kasama sa ano na.
Kuya, next week na mo.
Sige, sige.
I was dying!
Ang deck mo.
Ancient.
Yung deck mo
Dito?
na dyan.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
Out now. I
Yeah.
need to stop.
Ancient protection dito.
One more glory.
I would fold JJ.
No, I wouldn't. I didn't need to be here. No bullshit. I can't.
I fold.
I can't.
No bullshit.
Attack contender for 4.
No bullshit. Hit. Oh, he's doing it to me.
Okay.
Yourself.
Kulang to na.
Passion.
Okay. Oh, you.
I hit like a coward. Let me go before you hit.
Right, this is a guy.
I need to know what he's hitting.
Nag-play ako ng first round.
Let me get the general.
3-2-3.
Let me get the general.
$70.
Wait.
I give it the 2K. Friend
Wait
discount.
lang. Attacking for 2. Abatement. So, ano siya? Minus 4-4. Defeat na agad. Draw ako. On defense.
Para lang sa tablet mo. Oy, meron ako dyan. Ice lang.
Hindi ko pinansin.
Magiging target ko, tawagan na ito.
Hindi
Mali. Dapat hindi ko ito binaba.
Okay.
Ikaw kami. Ikaw, please. Ikaw kami.
Three. Change cash down, boss.
It's water.
And then grab. Gusto?
No.
Boss, change cash down.
Dukot.
So, one defense contender to. Attack ako ng piso.
Balitan ko lang.
Tama din. Kaya pass na kayo.
Ang power niya.
1-1.
Why am I
Open portal.
Okay.
Last pare ko to.
Okay. Take 1 ako. Sa trap.
Wala, ano ka lang ito sa mga aso. Hindi mo naman dito. May mistake ako kanina, sabi ko sa ito. Maging tunay na lalaki. Dapat pala hindi ko ni ano. Dapat hindi ko binabayan. Hindi. Dapat hindi ko inatap. Ano ka? Kasi titake ko lang to. Tapos na dapat yun. Pag nag-pass turn ka, hindi, wala akong dead po. Pag nag-pass turn ako, syempre dito may kakabit. Diba? Tama? Sa slide. Ayan, attack ka ng 7. Pero tama yung pingatay mo. Pero dapat hindi
Okay.
mo na siya binaba ngayon. Possible umiga. At hostage yung pa ako. Hostage yung pa ako ng
Archive.
take the risk niya ako eh. Yun niya yung point ko eh. Sabi ko, oy, gago, medyo po. Sabi ko, okay lang. Lapag, meron, counter play. Oy.
Virgo rating, so prevent 4. Prevent 2 yan, tapos 2 defense ako. Draw din ako isa.
Mali. Kaya iiyak ko, hindi na mali. Apat lang tayo, aray ko.
Very good.
Pretty good.
Balls to the
Oh, I keep saying eights.
balls to the I'm good.
I just say eights.
Okay. Ay, nag-crash back po kayo dyan. Nga pala, 1-2 lang pala.
You lost. You lost.
Draw ako.
Balls. It's a comeback. Don't go to comeback.
Engage po to, sir. Di mo matake po kayo?
No, the problem is gonna be.
Yes.
I'm bully.
Opo.
Wala dumping.
Tuloy-tuloy ako.
Class nag-prevent ka nga pala ng ano.
Opo.
Oh my God, wala. The next counter, another 7 death. Somebody can freeze.
9, no?
Yourself. Yourself and keep.
Ano lang?
Yourself?
May counterplay po kayo,
So
sir?
early.
I'm built like that, bro.
Pussy.
This is the
Five,
other.
six, seven.
This is the other.
Okay. So, engage nyo po to para engage yung ano ko.
Oh, we learned it.
Give me a round. Yes, that's numbers are safe.
Just keep.
Ow!
I told you.
Attack ako sa'yo, pisa.
No, it's the round that I'm talking shit.
Ah, sir?
If I convert the nerd, I find a bullet. I always pull it so I can get something. I'll keep fighting. Oh my God. I have to fight everything.
Oh, isa.
Po? Walang
Far
effect.
behind.
Wala, dami.
Okay?
No!
Yung attach pala nito, sir.
He's winning, he's winning, he's winning.
Can I keep it?
This is
Okay.
33-66. He wins.
He's not pussy bitch.
Drop.
Okay?
Bro, don't tell him that. Who does not mean that he's proud?
You done it? You done right? An easy win? I would take it as a grind then.
I don't think he did. Wait, no, I think he might get. Yeah, I think I do.
Nah, you wouldn't get because that thing would go to JT. I'm trying to recast
And then, wala kang chance, just.
Get money pasta.
How do you know?
You gonna do what?
No, I can use a colorless.
No, it's not. They made this fucking guy. You stupid idiot. Dude, they made it.
Yeah.
There's a result right on your board.
What happens is,
Get on good.
Sa kanya po yung ano, yung defense. Okay? Take 2. 10 na lang. Okay. Take isa pa. 9 na lang. Heal 3 ka. Okay.
I can't wait for the first one.
Ay, tayo nga pala to, sorry. May Drac Arrow, may Flash Growth pala ako ng Drac Arrow, so tayo lang siya, Dispute. Pero, sige lang, take ko lang damage.
Di ba, ano ka sa kanila?
Oh?
Pinap ko siya.
Opo, pero end of turn, kapag may Flash Growth po ako,
Keep right there.
That means you're done at the beginning.
Yeah, and then we get
Because we're limit testing.
machine learning.
We're seeing how far we can go.
Machine learning. Say hello to Brock 3.0 bitch.
You see, we're saying how far we can
okay,
push the
draw on ka.
You push nothing. Well, that's a round that we're not pussy.
That was like, wala akong choice.
What is it? Why is it doing this way? It is this way. Yeah. It is clockwise. It is right. I get confused. I'm like, why is it giving me?
The one guy that can stop anything. Because the
Let me. Let me. You're pushing.
Oh no, he's gonna kill it immediately. It's 11 kills.
Bitch, you're not limiting enough.
Oh my goodness.
I spoke in
Right.
JJ's gonna win.
Down 3 lang.
Down to 9.
He's setting up my break now.
Oh, no,
Still you, bro? Keep going. Keep going. 8 to 7.
You got this. You got right. No.
It's bro. I told you. Mine was too high.
1 resource active. So, attack na lang ako sa'yo, 4-5.
No.
Flight yan eh, di ba?
Flight po.
Sige, sige.
So, take 5. Set trap. Ay, di. 6 pala, sorry. 6.
6, kasi
Opo. Tapos,
I've never won it.
wala, passer na ako. Tayo. Tapos, this one.
What do you mean?
It's too early.
I'll take it. I'll take it then.
It's too early.
So like it never done, huh?
Yeah.
It's too early. If you have to find
Oh, yeah, bro. And I get my Oh my god. I'm free again. You're dead.
I'll pick up.
What the fuck?
He's cheating. He's cheating.
You
He's
should
cheating.
have frozen me. I'm sorry.
I gotta go for it. Ah, 7. No,
I'm stupid, yeah.
One more for the road. For the road. For the road. But yeah, you. Hey, Ripsy. Lennon, I pulled that plan. He ripped it twice. Even after the second time.
Tapos, draw ako. On defense.
See, we got in the end, guys.
Hey, Ripsy. You gotta touch him.
Yes, I will throw.
Yeah, see? He lost the second time. He's scared of 2. That's how
Let's
much.
see what comes up. I'm not scared of anybody. Woo! No, we're scared for that.
Call it a comeback.
No, he is 9, bro. Stop now. 33 is good.
I didn't go for it though.
I'm down to
I saved you.
Wait, did you get it?
anong color, ano nito, dual nito?
Puss.
Blue black.
That's why we call them puss.
Bro,
I'll explode down the bow.
Same.
I thought JD folded. You damn right you folded, pussy. Good fold. You damn right, pussy. Go.
Okay, diminish.
Here we go.
Bounty.
Wait, I'm gonna tell you. JD.
You're good. Stop. What did I just say?
You damn right, I'm looking for JD for you.
For you, guys.
Take 1. 2 defense po to.
No, it's the 11. The 8 kills, bro. Oh no, it's just third.
Big money, big
I'm
money.
0 though, doesn't even matter.
Just kill him.
Give it to me.
Kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him. No.
Give it to me.
How many balls have come out?
Enough. Look out, Cindy.
Kill him right now.
Do it, pussy. Do it. Boom.
No! Nice.
You know what?
6-5?
Mama money.
Man, I hope there's another 50. I don't know focus fire on these.
Gun down. I'm chilling again.
No! Someone get him out!
I'm going to come back.
Pass.
I'm going to come back.
That was 5-12!
Ilan na to? Ilan ang
1-1.
take ulit. Sabi ko.
I'm going to come back, bitch.
Oh no, the 1-1!
So, attach mo ulit siya.
No, the 12 you bite it.
Wait, are there 12, 12, 11, 11?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you have to hit. No, it was supposed to be his.
I'm going to come back, bitch.
Is that
Oh
6?
no, it's a dead, bitch.
I know. If I get the well, do I win?
Yeah,
Straight!
you need a 9 and a 10. 9.
I swear to God, if I get this
Okay.
Pussy. No. Pussy.
Effect niya.
I call it a comeback!
Discard ako ng dragon, tapos magbalik ako ng trap.
Pussy. Pussy.
Oh,
Whoa.
Balik ko to sa kamay.
21, 22, 26, 30, 32.
36?
Wait lang.
36 plus 6 is...
Oh, minus plus 6.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm going to come back, you pussy.
34!
Oh, there's no other
Okay.
Plus 1 na. Lahat.
Holy shit. I want to hit nowhere.
I want to hit it again, goddammit.
Let me get one well.
I want to hit another one.
Why did you get plus 14?
If you hit 7 in the round, if you hit 7 first, the round will be the answer.
Flashback.
If you do
111. Hey, 111.
Plus 1-1 contender.
See, I could have died the other way.
So, 2-2 siya. Take 1.
Why is it a 0? How many
It's a
0?
pretty hard one. It's 1, 0, 1, 1. This is literally free. Oh,
Ilan na to? 4.
3.
So I'm going to come back. Oh my God.
Ilan na defense niya?
2.
Why?
Ah, wait. 1 lang pala, sorry.
Bali, take ano ka?
It's 4, right?
I'm at 2.
Take 2. Mali pala ginawa ko.
Pause right now.
Pussy.
No, he's gonna get 7 again.
I'm going to come back. You got
Plus 1.
Okay, well, you have to wait.
Take 1.
I'm going to come back,
Down to
bitch.
3.
Oh my God. Look at that. I didn't have a second time.
16, 19,
4,
24, 28, 45, 46, double is 92 again.
Block.
Double.
Oh, no, double. 46.
I'm going to come back for my socks.
46 plus 15, so that's 61.
Oh!
Where's the horse breather? When you need him.
Exhaust ba siya?
I'm coming back.
Walang damage.
Kasi ano siya, no?
1-1 siya. 1 lang. 1-1 until end of turn. So, patay siya.
Come back, bitch.
Ilan ba to? So, ano to, di ba?
2.
3. Ah, 2.
Hindi. Ano kasi siya eh?
Hindi.
Ano yung naset nyo? Okay. So,
Yes. All the info's
so
gone.
take pala ako isa.
No, you're stuck in the worst spot. He's in the worst spot. He's the worst spot.
Wala. Talo ako. Game.